Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be answering a lot of your questions. I have some stocks on my radar. I'll be talking about them, and I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, and this is my website. In case you want to get in touch with us, call up on this number or WhatsApp on this number. We do live trading every day from 10 to 11. Join live trading. Today I've given in the live market, I told market is not going to come down. I gave Bata along with us, like three of the mentors were there, me, Pankaj and Sachin. We gave a buy on Bata India, we gave a buy on Biocon, we gave a buy on AU Small Finance Bank, and there were one or two more stocks. In all of them, Dalmia Bharat also we gave a buy. And look at what a beautiful blast these stocks have given. Even Nifty, Bank Nifty never came down. So I was just going through my YouTube comments and I have come across a very beautiful, question that has been asked. Yesterday I've made a video, where I've talked about solid reasons why Nifty and Bank Nifty fell today. So this person, I'll just read out his name. His name is Vijay Nair. He says, thanks for your sharing your valuable inputs. Wanted to know what changed overnight. The market rose as if there is no tomorrow. The trade deficit, the dollar index still remains gloomy. What is the trap? Was it a trap laid for the short sellers so that they stop loss, so that their stop loss is triggered? So once again, market only reacts to the fundamentals. In case there's some fundamentals that change overnight, some, international scenario changes overnight, then market reacts the next day. Today, there were a lot of positives. Let me show you. This is how crude has fallen today. Yesterday, it was trading at about 88,460, and today it has fallen by 1,000 rupees. In dollar terms, it's about 10 to 11 or $12 fall that has come in crude. It's trading below $100 per barrel. It's a very significant point that you must remember. Even Dow Jones, which has fallen yesterday, has recovered today. Quite a bit it has recovered today. And the third thing that I was talking about, the USD INR, it's not like there is a correction in USD INR. I wouldn't say it's really a good fall in the USD INR, but still, it's not breaching 80. So there are some stoppages that have come in the market in the form of crude falling down, in the form of Dow Jones recovering, in the form of USD recovering a little bit. So lot of stocks which were on the verge of giving a breakout have given a breakout. Beautiful breakout. And if you go to the channel, you'll be able to see we have given a lot of stocks by early morning. BPCL, we gave a buy above 322. ABB, we gave a buy above 2405. IndusInd Bank above 841. Federal Bank above 96. These three levels of BPCL, IndusInd, and Federal have not crossed today, but I'm expecting them to cross tomorrow. Then Bajaj Finserv, I've given a buy above 11,800. It gave at least to 300-point move from this point. M&M Fin, I have given a buy at about 185. It made a high of 182, 191, 192. Indigo did not break this level. SRF did give about 10 points or so. Dalmia Bharat gave almost like 50 points. From this level, it gave almost like 50 or 55 points. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that huge, and then you can see here Bata India that also gave about 40 plus points. So these were the stocks that I had given, and Biocon had given at 318. That also gave a very beautiful breakout. So all, like I've given a buy on SBI cards, and all of them, are top gainers today. Have a look at it. ABB, Dalmia Bharat, then Bajaj Finserv here, M&M Fin here, SBI card here. All of them are top gainers. So how do you filter out? How do you know that the stocks are going to be top gainer today? So we have a very specific way to find out this. And that is what we use to find out stocks which are about to give a positive break. So anyway, now what I'm going to do today, so hope I have answered your question that what has changed over the night. It is actually the fundamentals have changed quite a bit, except that physical deficit has not changed and inflation has not changed. But the fact that crude has come down, it will help us controlling the inflation. So all these things are connected. Now let's come and do the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Have a look at Nifty. Nifty has given a beautiful recovery today. Same goes with Bank Nifty. Same goes with Bank Nifty, and have a look at it. Yesterday's negative candle is completely demolished today, almost like completely demolished. And let's see how the opening happens tomorrow. Now, what I can do quickly for you people, I can take you to the option chain and we try to read from there what is happening in the Nifty and Bank Nifty's option chain. So here we are on the current week's expiry. I would like you people to see a few things. Huge unwinding at all these levels, right? And huge put writing. Look at the massive put writing that has happened today. I'm not talking about what happened in the past. I'm talking about what's happening today. Huge positive signs here, huge negative signs. Negative sign indicate that people are running, coming out of their positions. Also, I would like you to see that there is huge put writing happened at the level of 16,200, right? And this is a good indication that 16,200 could be a good point for expiry. You know, like these are the people, there are people who are writing out of the money put at 1650, 16,100. That's a very good indication. Even at this level, you see 16,250, there is call writing, put writing happening. If I look at the call writing, the significant call writing as 16,050, if you see this number, which is 80,000, which stands at 80,000 today, if you see this reducing, if you see this going down, you can be sure that market is planning to go up. The huge call writing that has happened today was at the level of 16,250 and 16,400. So if I look into the call and the put, what I feel 16,200 is a very reasonable level for expiry tomorrow. Around that 16,200, 16,250 could be a very good expiry level. Now let's have a look into what is happening in Bank Nifty. So here we go. Here is Bank Nifty. Again, the scenario is almost similar. Why am I saying similar? There is huge unwinding till this point, all these places, and huge put writing. Look at the put writing, massive put writing till this level, right? There is no stopping in Bank Nifty. That tells me, you know, that 34,500, 34,600 could be a reasonable level for Bank Nifty to expire, because see here, there is huge call writing also that has happened today. So 34,600, 34,700 could be a reasonable level for Bank Nifty expiry. So anyway, what I'm saying, please don't take it very seriously. In the dynamic market, option chain will change, right? And please trade after doing your own analysis in the live market. Now let me quickly go back here and see what could be, like I've filtered about quite a lot of stocks. All of them are looking very good and all of them are indicating that market is planning to go up. So India Cement, the first stock that I have on my radar is India Cement. And India Cement looks good to me as of now. The reason is very obvious. आप लोगों के सामने है, like there is no hiding. Look at the price. There was this big candle. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside candles. If this candle is demolished tomorrow, we can expect a good move in India Cement. Then we have LTTS. This looks exactly the same reason. There is no difference. 1, 2, 3, 3 inside candles. Today's candle has been a very strong candle. In case it goes above 3050, you will have a good opportunity to take entry in LTTS. The next stock that I have is BPCL. The reason is similar. There is not much of difference in this reason. So see here, there was this inside candle, then this negative candle. Today it stands on a support zone, on a resistance. In case 322, I gave it on the channel as well. In case it goes above 322, BPCL above 322, in case it goes above, we can definitely expect a beautiful breakout. Then we have DLF. DLF also looks very, very promising to me with this candle, this powerful candle. So 1, 2, 3, 3 candles indecisiveness has actually been demolished, right? This has been completely demolished. Where will I get the entry to buy in this particular stock? It's above 332. So that's my fourth stock. A lot of stocks are there, so keep them on your radar. Wherever you see a breakout coming, you can take entry in any one of them. This is Adani Ports, and my entry will be above this place. When this barrier, this past barrier, this barrier will be crossed, which is about at 700. So that is where Adani Ports will give us a breakout. Have a look at the double bottom. Have a look at the double bottom. Have a look at the price rejection twice from the same level, which is 656. Then a stock that I have been closely monitoring for a long period of time, and today it has given a very decisive candle. I would still not have an entry. Have a look at it. You know, it's forming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how many bottoms. Still, I'm not going to take an entry. My entry is going to come above 556. That's the place where I would be 100% sure that the stock is going to move till about 575. So this is Oro Pharma. The next stock that I have on my radar is Petronet. A lot of stock stands in a very, very nice place. So you may get a huge opportunity for buying in tomorrow's session. But tomorrow could be, expiry that may be, can go in any direction. So here 1, 2, this is a big solid buy candle. 1, 2 inside candle. Third is open equal to low. And if this candle, the high of 2, 2, 3 is broken, we can definitely look for a breakout in Hind Petro. Then the next stock that I have, I'm giving you the entire list. Why I have selected, what is my reason, all of it I'm giving it to you. So this is Grasim. Again, Grasim has the similar reason. After forming a beautiful base, the stock started moving up, and above this place where it took the resistance 1380, it looks to be heading for a beautiful breakout. The next stock that I have on my radar is Laurus Lab. So all these a lot of pharma stocks have bottomed out, quite a bit bottomed out, and they are getting ready to blast. So according to me, pharma will be a sector, and IT and pharma, and even for that matter, what do you say, infra. These are the three sectors which will be leading the market's return, right? Market's recovery. So the next stock that I have on my radar is Laurus Lab, above 475.5. I am looking for a good breakout. Look at the price. It has been uniformly heading up. Have a look at it. The price has been uniformly heading up, making higher lows. So crossing above 475, it may be a very good opportunity to take entry. One bottomed out stock. I'm sure a lot of you have lost your patience on this particular stock. It has broken a very strong support zone, right? No, what I would say, it has not broken a very strong support zone. It went down and bounced back very quickly. That means I hope I'm making sense to you all. I really want you to make a note of it, that the stock went down because of somebody exiting, very dumping this stock. So this was quickly bounced back, means buyers were sitting aggressively. Twice this has happened, right? This is a point to be noted. This has happened twice. From the same level, stock has bounced. So I'm expecting a good move up above 580 in IRCTC, right? So now next stock that I have on my radar, which I gave today also in the morning, is Federal Bank. Look at Federal Bank standing on a very nice place above 96. We will get a good opportunity to take entry in Federal Bank. Now the stock that I have my positions as well, it's Piramal Enterprises. I have given it a few days back in YouTube channel, and I said that this looks very promising to me. It's been building it up. It's building up for a long period of time. Crossing this 1727 will be a non-stop move till about 1800 or so, 1900. My target for this month is 1800 or 1900. I'm holding this position. So see here, PEL is still that I'm holding. I have exited some positions in loss, like UPL, Tata Power, SR Transfin I've exited. Even SRF I traded in the morning but ended up in loss. But all of it was covered by Dabur, which I was holding for last 2 days. So, and this is Bajaj Finserv call that I bought, and this is a combination trade that I'm doing for PEL. So PEL is looking extremely powerful at this point of time. Have a look at the price rejection from the lower levels. Then the last stock that I'm giving to you, of course, there are many of them, but these are the ones that I have filtered, which I feel look very, very good. So this is Metropolis. Metropolis is a good buy above this place, which is 1480. So another 20 points move and it is going to give you a very, very beautiful breakout. So guys, keep learning and keep earning and write your comments. I read each and every comment. I'm planning a Q&A session. I'll pick up all the questions a lot of you have asked and I will be answering each one of them. Good, bad, there are some stocks that have not worked like Nureka. I do plan to answer each one of them. Also, I want to show you one futuristic trade that I have given. I think if you have not seen that video, I would like to show you. I have showed you about I am investing in this futuristic stock. So this was the stock that I have talked about, Map My India. This is Map My India. This is a stock that I have shown you people, and I want to show you where does it stand today. So here is Map My India. Look at the beautiful blast. Look at the beautiful blast it has given, right? It gave us ample opportunity to enter. Look at it. Today it crossed 1500. So keep accumulating these kind of stocks in your portfolio and slide up and down. Don't worry, because either you select a stock which is junk like Yes Bank or like DHFL or like any such controversial stock. I don't pick up any of those stocks. Have trust in me, have trust in my research. Only thing is be patient. When market is falling down, no one can do anything. Nureka will fall, Map My India will fall, Yes Bank will, TCS will fall, every stock will fall. So, but don't start doubting that my research doesn't work. It's not like that. I try to do my level best to give you the best research. So all the best, take care and keep trading, keep learning. Don't forget to join me from 10 to 11 in the morning for live trading. See you in the live trading in the morning. And for the link, you have to come to my channel, which is StockPro Official. Let me just show you. We have our URL, now we try to make it very simple. It's stockpro_online, the same as what we have our website, StockPro Online. Same is the URL to join our website, stockpro_online. Join us here, get the link here, and we do live trading every single day. All the best, take care. If you like my video, give a thumbs up so that it comes in algorithm and more people can join us and learn a lot about stock. Bye bye. See you tomorrow in the live trading and in the YouTube video later. Bye bye.